previous videos, I talked about the cell, structure of the cell and two of its main organelles, the nucleus and the cell membrane. In this video, I will be talking about the third main organelle of the cell called the cytoplasm. The liquid part of the cytoplasm in which other organelles float is called the cytosol. This liquid part, this dotted part is the liquid part of the cell. The following organelles float in the cytoplasm: endoplasmic reticulum, ER short for endoplasmic reticulum, GA short for Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, vacuoles and steroids. Well, today I am going to be talking about only endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes. Endoplasmic reticulum is found in the cytoplasm. It is only found in eukaryotic cells. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulums. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of tubules which help in manufacturing of fat molecules, steroids and lipids. Ribosomes are absent. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is big. You can see this structure is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this one here is the nucleus of the cell. These small dots are the nuclear pores from which some substances go in and out. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of vesicles which help in manufacturing of proteins. Ribosomes are present on the outer surface. Did you know that the rough endoplasmic reticulum detoxificates substances which goes through it? This process is called biogenesis. Now let's come to Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus is a system or network of tubules and membranes bound. Vesicles which are arranged parallel to each other are called systems. Proteins which are synthesized at endoplasmic reticulum are packed at GA, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus transports materials from the cytoplasm to the nucleus and from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. It also helps in the formation of middle lamellae. What is middle lamellae? Did you see my previous video on the cell membrane? There I talked about the cell wall. There are two cell walls which is joined by a sticky gluey substance called the lamellae. So that is the middle lamellae. The Golgi apparatus has two faces. The front face is called the CIS face and the back face is called trans face. And I talked about the vesicles which are parallel to each other. There are two types of vesicles: incoming transport vesicles and secretory vesicles. Incoming transport vesicles take in the substance into the Golgi apparatus, and the secretory vesicles take the substances out. What do you mean by the word secrete? Secrete means taking out. If you don't know, you can see my previous video on digestive systems. I hope you understood about the cytoplasm, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus.